Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So the time has come for me to experiment with my hair again. So I guess let me explain how I've gotten to this point. Basically my last color was pink. I let it fade a bunch, then I did my roots. It's already been I think almost 2 weeks since I've done my roots, which is why you can already start to see my natural color coming in because I couldn't really decide what color I wanted to do. So I actually just ended up putting some purple shampoo on the blonde. I used the Fanola No Yellow shampoo, and as you can see, it worked pretty well. Like, my hair is very ashy, and I only used it once. But the problem is I left it on a little bit too long, so in some parts it's actually a little bit lavender. But I think this is still a good base for what I want to do. Today I think I'm going to try to get like a silvery blue color. It might just turn silver, which would be awesome, but I don't want to get my hopes up for silver because I feel like silver is just difficult. So if it's like a silvery blue, I'll be happy with it. I've diluted Poseidon before by Arctic Fox, and I've done it like on my tips, and it always turned out to be a really pretty color. So I think that's what I'm going to try to do all over. Alright, so as I said, I am going to be using Poseidon by Arctic Fox, and I'm going to mix it with some basic white conditioner to get it nice and light. And that's about it. Just going to put everything in this bowl. I don't have exact measurements. I'm just gonna eyeball it, you know, just keep adding blue little by little until I get a color that I like. I think I'm actually gonna start with the conditioner and just like put a ton of it in as my base. Right now, add the blue. Putting that much to begin. I can't really tilt it over too much without it falling. But mix that first, see how it's looking, but I think I'll probably need to add more blue. I never know how light to make these things because obviously I want it to look light on my hair, but there's a fine line between having it be a light blue and it being so light that basically it does nothing to your hair. I don't know if this is too light or not. I also feel like this just isn't enough dye, so I'm going to add more conditioner and more blue. Okay, this is the color I have. I'm scared it's too light, but I also kind of don't want to go too dark. So I think I might just try this first. Okay, I've sectioned my hair, and I'm going to put on some gloves, although I feel like this color is so light it probably wouldn't even stay in my hands, but just in case. Alright, let's do a test strand. Yeah, I guess I'm just going to go for it. Hopefully, I was going to say, hopefully I'll be able to tell if it's doing anything. I think it's too light. Like, that literally looks like I just put on something clear. So, gotta add some blue. Okay, it's slightly darker. I don't know if you guys can tell. I just added a little bit more blue. So hopefully now, I'm trying to rub some of this off actually, but hopefully now I'll be able to see more of a difference. Although something I do remember with this blue is that I used to put it on and at first it looked super duper light, but then after it would like sit on my hair for a little bit, it would actually start to turn more blue and look a bit darker. So I do have to keep that in mind. I don't know if this is good enough or not. Maybe I just let this sit for a bit and see what color it turns, and then I'll continue. Okay, it's only been about a minute, but I do feel like I can see more of the blue already. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, I think I'm just gonna keep going with the color I have. Alright, so I finished applying it. I am a little worried about my roots. I don't know if this is like gonna cover it well enough. I didn't really want to have to do a second batch of like darker blue and put it here, but I don't know. I'm afraid that because my roots tend to be a bit more yellow than the rest of my hair, that it's just gonna turn green. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna risk it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I could always come back with a darker color just on my roots later if I really want to. But yeah, also, like I said before, do you guys see how now, actually, I still feel like on camera it doesn't look that blue, but in the mirror that I'm seeing, it looks really blue. But yeah, it's definitely like darker. It's gotten darker as like time has gone by. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour, and then I'll rinse it. I'll show you guys how it looks. I'm a little scared, but you know what? It's fine. I could always add some pink over it and turn it into a lavender or something if I don't like it. It's just fun to experiment, so let's see what happens. Okay, I just rinsed it. Honestly, I feel like maybe I didn't need to add more blue. I should have kept the original one, because my hair's pretty blue. As always, doesn't really look like it on camera, but anyway, I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'll probably like blow dry it a little bit, or maybe do some waves just to make it look cute. But yeah, I'll show you guys once it's all dry and styled. So here's how my hair turned out. I'm like right by a window so that hopefully you guys can see the accurate color, like see what I am seeing in person. It's just such a cute pastel blue. I am obsessed with it. I've never had pastel blue hair before. The one time I dyed my hair blue, it was Arctic Fox Aquamarine, and that one's like a bit more intense and it's kind of like a greenish blue. But yeah, I love this. It's so pretty. Obviously, it didn't turn out as like silvery blue as I was expecting, but I think I actually like this more. Ah, so cute. Oh, my kitty came to join me. How do you like my hair? Come here. Alright, well that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!